Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle from 1878. This one was created by R H Seymour. Black just has the king down in the corner with 2 pawns and a bishop. White has the king, a bishop, the queen and the rook. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Taking the bishop with your bishop won't get you a mate in 2. The black king can take your bishop back. You can check with the queen. The king moves to c3. You can then check with the rook. King moves down, you can move the queen into b3. Then when the king moves back to the first rank, you can checkmate in just 5. Checking the king with your rook's obviously a big mistake, so although the king can't move, black can take your rook with the pawn and promote to a queen. After the queens are traded off, you can take the bishop with your bishop. Now the game is just drawn. Moving your bishop to d5 isn't checkmate in 2, but it is the next best checkmate, but it's only a mate in 4, unless black takes your bishop and then it's a mate in 2. Instead, black can promote their pawn, you can take it with your rook, and the black bishop can take your bishop, but instead of taking back, you can now do a sort of triangulation to get in for just the mate in 4. Moving the queen to e4 doesn't get you a mate in 2, the black bishop can take your bishop. Now if you try to get the check, obviously the bishop is protecting the c4 square. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you want some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to h7. If black promotes their pawn, you can take it with the queen to checkmate in 2. And if black decides to take your bishop with their bishop, you can take it back with your queen to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.